Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Where to look for inventions? Inventions may result out of research publications or outcome of research. They may result from a thesis of a research scholar. They may result from problem solving exercises where a group of people take up a problem and solve it. They may result from brainstorming sessions. They may result from projects. People who do a project may find that something in the process of doing the project, they would come across an invention. Now, invention manifests in different places. Now, you could find inventions in schools. Science projects could be inventive. You could find them in university. Works done by professors and students could be subject matter of invention. You could find knowledge-based startups coming out with inventions that are patentable, and research laboratories where scientists work on various discoveries could also be the end products, not the discoveries themselves, but the products that manifest out of their discoveries could be patentable. And companies which have an research and development department, inventions could also come from there. Now, what you do is to find an invention, you have to look for disclosures. Now, disclosure is a written description of the invention. The disclosure may be in the form of a publication, but publication you have to be careful because the publication can kill the novelty aspect of a patent. Patent law requires disclosures to be made first to the patent office. So if you make any disclosure into the public domain without first disclosing to the patent office, then it can kill the first aspect, the newness aspect, the fact that the invention has to be novel, that may get killed. And if it gets killed, then you cannot file a patent for your invention. So publications are places where you would find disclosures, but publications are also capable of killing the novelty of your invention. You could find disclosures, written disclosures like lab notes or theses or any kind of a written description of a work done. You could find disclosures in prototypes, which have been the initial versions of the invention itself. You could find disclosures in demonstrations where an invention is demonstrated or put to use. You could also find disclosures in beta versions, especially with something relating to the use of computers. You will find that computer-related inventions, anything on the internet could have a beta version. So you could look for potential disclosures in a variety of places. But because you are looking to textualize the invention, you would want the disclosure to be given in a form in which you can prepare the patent specification.